Welcome back to the channel. I want to share with you today this ABC chart I made on Ethereum, looking at the global crypto markets as a whole, and I'm going to show you exactly what pattern I see happening and why I think this is a great time to buy Ethereum, crypto, altcoins, because when you start getting afraid that we might be falling into that bear market, that's when the whales are buying. Now, looking right into this is the chart that I made. This is the ABCD chart, we'll call it, because there's a lot of letters on here and they spell out bullish. Here we go. All right, so to explain how this chart works, looking at this chart here, we have a green rally here. I'm just gonna highlight it. So this green arrow right here, this is our first bullish move, complete sell-off yellow. So we're looking at this area here and this area. And this is what we're comparing. We're trying to find out, is crypto going to push up to beat those highs that they were previously at during this rally and the last rally in May? And are we going to hit 10K? These are the questions we're going to answer in today's video. So if you like crypto, hit the thumb up. All right, so Ethereum. So we had this first green arrow for the bullish move, green arrow for the bullish move, yellow complete sell-off, yellow not a complete sell-off from the naked eye. But if you look at it with a retire young bird's eye view, we could see that the base was here. This is the base, and this is why it came all the way down. The base is here. Look at this base right here, because we have a lot of support just like we had over here. This is the base. It came down to it. Now we have the base here, and that's why the yellow stopped here. So that is confirmed that that is the same identical move that it did during this A move. Boom, boom. Now B, we went up, topped out here. We went up, topped out here. Same identical move. The hedge funds and the whales and the crypto gods are playing games with retail holders and retail traders. Don't let them fool you. And this is a small channel, so I could give this information out there on what I found during my deep dive. Now, what happens after B? B, we fall into the C channel, which is this movement. This little zigzag, which is identical. Boop, boop, boop. Now, we haven't fully completed this zigzag. So this is what I'm watching every single day to see if it does this Zorro formation. So we've come down, B, come down, C, bounced up, C, bounced up. And now, well, we didn't fully bounce up. We're halfway through C. So we need to continue to head up, staying in this downtrend, unfortunately, but it's about the bigger plan with crypto. So if we can continue in this trend up to the top of C here and here, we're still on track. And the whales don't know that I'm on to them. So then we're going to come down for the final leg, to D. Double bottom, boop, boop, actually triple bottom on this one. I think it's going to come down to this bottom here, right here where BC touched, boop, right there. So that is around 2650, 27, somewhere around there is where we should finally come down to the final point, the lowest you could possibly buy before we go ballistic missile crazy and head off out of the universe. Bust through the ozone layer. So that's where I expect by end of year, my price target is 4,800, 5,200. Depending on how many people are buying, crypto could go bananas crazy. If everyone gets on board, the internet goes nuts. But if the media jumps in like they do with China and other regulations and such, then it could really stunt its growth and hit us at a 5,200 price target, which I like. I'll take it. Because right now we're under 3K. So I am very comfortable with my crypto positions. We just need to continue following this formation, and then I'll know that we're confirming this, and I know what's going to happen next. We're going to go to the C point, we're going to go to the D point, then we should blast off back to the A point. A at the top, A at the top, and then A at the top will be over here. Now we're going to have some resistances, which you should watch for, and I'm going to show you what they are. Here are your resistances. They're going to be at the tips of these rallies. Tips of the rallies. So we got 4,000 and 43.88. Rough estimate, somewhere around there. So they will be our points of massive resistance that we're going to come across turbulence when the jet is taking off from the D-pad. We're going to hit that resistance there, bounce around, hit that resistance, bounce around. And hopefully more companies announce that they're adopting these technologies. Maybe another country jumps on the bandwagon, buys up a whole bunch of crypto. That'd be fantastic. So this is what I saw. I wanted to share this ABC chart real quick with you But quickly, I want to show you this as well. This is a look at my portfolio. It's blurred out because I can't reveal my entire portfolio. I have members that pay for that, but I want to show you these 5 recent trades I made. So I sold Tesla today for a 23% profit. I sold Robinhood for 15%. I sold CCL for 15%. I added into PayPal, and I sold Lucid for a small 2% gain. But I want to show you these guys. You should be getting these gains when you make your trades. If you're not finding these winners, if you're getting losers, if you're not holding on long enough to really generate those profits, you need some help. So what I want to tell you is jump into my Discord. Link is in the description. It's going to give you access to Retire Young Pro on my Patreon. It's a paid service, but you'll make that money back in a blink. All right, now back to the Ethereum chart. I mean, I'll be watching this very closely. I'll be updating this chart as well in the Discord, so you know when I see maybe a shift and change, I'll adjust the C path, I'll adjust the D path. But right now we are on trajectory to make this formation work out beautifully. Completely mirrored of past historical data of what it did during May, June, and July. It's repeating it. That is it. I wanted to do a quick analysis of Ethereum and the crypto markets because the way Ethereum moves, it's copying pretty much Bitcoin. It's copying all coins. So you could pretty much do technical analysis on any of the top coins and you'll get a rough idea of where the crypto market's going to move. So that is Ethereum. That's crypto. I think crypto is still going to be in a bullish market. We're not in a bear market. We're in a correction phase right now, this ABCD correction phase. And if that copies what it did last time, we're in good shape. So that is it. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Don't forget by hitting that button. It's getting you a little bit closer to retiring young.